Hey guys, Fabio here. Very good morning and welcome to a new market update in regards to the crypto market. So in today's market update, I'm going to be discussing where Bitcoin is heading next and what my favorite altcoin is doing at the moment. So let's dive straight in. So to begin with, what is Bitcoin currently doing? So Bitcoin is currently making a very nice impulse in towards the lows after seeing that channel maturement. So what did we see? We saw the one, the two, and then the third trendline touch of the ascending wedge. And from there onwards, we have started to impulse back down in towards the lows. So Bitcoin is very interesting at the moment because we haven't yet made a pullback. So at the moment, I am waiting for a very nice pullback to occur, possibly back up to a 0.5 or the 0.618. So the 0.5 is looking very interesting, mainly due to the fact that we have this head and shoulders pattern with the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and the head. And we also have this area of 4-hour supply situated at that 0.5 region. Therefore, a nice head and shoulders pattern could potentially form itself. However, one thing that we have to take into consideration is that every single retail trader is looking at this head and shoulders pattern. Therefore, I am already slightly less interested in trading it, and therefore I will potentially be a little bit more cautious when trading the potential pattern. So what do I mean by being a little bit more cautious? Well, if I do decide to take a short from this 618 or either the 0.5 region, I will only trade the short back down towards the 0 fib, because what I expect, or what we could potentially start seeing, is a very strong fake out on the low of this swing low over here. Or a different situation which could occur is to see a dip lower in towards this 4-hour demand at the minus 27 fib extension to then see the next impulse occur back up in towards the highs. So yeah, those are the main things that I am watching for the moment on Bitcoin. One potential thing that could occur as well is that we do see a fake out on this swing low at the moment before heading back up in towards the 0.618 and the 0.5. If that was to occur, I will start looking for shorts in towards that minus 27 fib. If we quickly go to the daily time frame as well, let me just delete the lines for you, and we have a look at what the daily is doing. What you can also say is that we are just making a possible retracement on the daily time frame with the impulse starting over here, the end of the impulse up here, and that we are currently situated at the 618 fib, and we are just creating a nice double bottom on the daily time frame over here to then start impulsing back up in towards the highs. However, this situation for me is less probable. One more reason why I am not still fully bearish on Bitcoin is mainly due to the fact that I definitely want to see one push up higher on the daily. Looking at it like this, I definitely do expect a push higher in towards that 618 region before then potentially heading down lower, if we are of course to head down lower. Because of course, still looking at, let's say, a monthly perspective on the monthly time frame, we are still very bullish on Bitcoin, and the fundamentals of etc. of course are still looking very good. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for on Bitcoin. Definitely going to be waiting for one more bullish impulse, at least on the 4-hour, to then see a nice pullback to occur on this impulse back down in towards lows, creating or starting to create, which is starting to create a potential head and shoulders pattern. So yeah, with that said, let's head over to SXP. Swipe. So this is one of my favorite altcoins at the moment, and it's looking very, very good on the 4-hour time frame. Because if we quickly look at what is currently happening, what you can currently see is that we of course had this descending channel with the 1, the 2, boom, boom, boom. So we had the 3 touches over here in the lows. So we had the 1, the 2, third touch, boom, impulse in towards the highs. So what I'm currently looking at is a potential 1, 2, and then third touch before heading up in towards the highs. So as you guys know, the third touch does not need to occur. A fake out on the swing low over here at 1.93/1.94 is already enough for Bitcoin to make its next leg up in towards the highs. So for SXP, excuse me, to make its next leg up in towards the highs. And this would be in accordance with potential Bitcoin bullishness back up to 37/38K. And therefore I am very interested in taking a potential swipe long. Also mainly due to the fact that the trend is towards the upside, because if we look, we were creating lower highs and lower lows, but we have created a new higher high in comparison to all these previous highs. So we're currently just making a retracement before potentially heading back up higher. So yeah guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you all in tomorrow morning's Forex market outlook. Thanks guys.